prerequisites of Aadhaar PAN linkage service. To link your Aadhaar with PAN, you may be registered on the e-filing portal or may not be registered on the e-filing portal, but you should have a valid PAN, a valid Aadhaar number, and a valid mobile number. You are required to make the payment of the requisite late fee on the e-filing portal using ePay tax service. So therefore, there are three main steps for linking Aadhaar with PAN. In the first step, you would be required to make the payment of applicable fee. In the second step, we would be submitting the Aadhaar PAN linking request on the e-filing portal. And in the third step, we can check the Aadhaar PAN linking status. Let us now see the three steps one by one. The first step is payment of applicable fee on the e-filing portal using ePay tax service under Major Head 21 and Minor Head 500. If you wish to make the payment of applicable fee on the e-filing portal using ePay tax service, you would be required to go to the e-filing portal homepage and click on Link Aadhaar in Quick Links section. Here you can enter your PAN and your Aadhaar number and then click on Continue to pay through ePay tax. You would be once again required to enter your PAN, confirm your PAN and your mobile number to receive OTP. Post OTP verification, you will be redirected to ePay tax page. Click Continue after verifying your PAN and your name. Here you can click on Proceed on Income Tax tile. On clicking the Proceed button, you would be required to select the relevant assessment year and the type of payment as Other Receipts Minor Head 500. You can select the subtype of payment as Fee for Delay in Linking PAN with Aadhaar and then click on Continue button. The applicable amount of late fee will be pre-filled against others. You are required to click on Continue button. Now the challan will be generated. On the next screen, you will be required to select the mode of payment. After selecting the mode of payment, you will be redirected to the bank's website where you can make the payment. After payment of fee on the ePay tax functionality, you can link your Aadhaar with PAN on the e-filing portal. Let us now move to the step 2, which is submitting the Aadhaar PAN link request on e-filing portal. This can be done immediately if the payment is made through ePay tax service. Please note that Aadhaar PAN link request can be made both in the post-login as well as pre-login mode. We would be discussing both the options one by one. Let us first see if you wish to submit your Aadhaar PAN linking request in the pre-login mode. Here you can simply go to the e-filing portal homepage and click on Link Aadhaar under Quick Links section. You would be required to enter your PAN and Aadhaar number and click on Validate button. You would be required to enter your name as per Aadhaar and your mobile number and also select the check boxes as applicable and then click on Link Aadhaar. You would receive a 6-digit OTP on your mobile number. Please enter the 6-digit OTP and then click on Validate button. You would be getting a message that your request for Aadhaar PAN linking has been sent to UDAI for validation. Please check the status later by clicking on Link Aadhaar status link on the home page. The third step would be to view your Link Aadhaar status. Again, you can view your Link Aadhaar status both in the pre-login as well as post-login mode. In the pre-login mode on your dashboard, this time you can click on Link Aadhaar status. You would be required to enter your PAN and Aadhaar number and click on View Link Aadhaar status. Once the validation is completed, a message will be displayed regarding your Link Aadhaar status. If the Aadhaar PAN linking is in progress, you would be getting a message that your Aadhaar PAN linking request has been sent to UDAI for validation. Please check the status later by clicking on Link Aadhaar status link on homepage. However, if the Aadhaar PAN linking is successful, you would be getting a message your PAN is already linked to given Aadhaar. If you wish to check the Link Aadhaar status in the post-login mode, then on your dashboard you can click on Link Aadhaar status. Alternatively, you can go to My Profile and then check your Link Aadhaar status. If your Aadhaar would be linked with the PAN, then Aadhaar number will be displayed. If the Aadhaar is not linked, Link Aadhaar status is displayed. Please note, if the validation fails, click Link Aadhaar on the status page and you will need to repeat the steps to link your PAN and Aadhaar. If your request to link PAN and Aadhaar is pending with UDAI for validation, you need to check the status later. However, if your Aadhaar is linked with some other PAN or your PAN is linked with some other Aadhaar, you would be required to contact your jurisdictional assessing officer to de-link Aadhaar and PAN. Kindly visit the e-filing portal to know the status of your PAN-Aadhaar linking request. If your request has failed due to demographic data, that is name, date of birth or gender mismatch, you can update your name in PAN by contacting Protean. To update your name in Aadhaar card, please contact UDAI. You can also send an email to UDAI help desk requesting specifically for data extraction for your Aadhaar number. To link again, go to e-filing portal and link your PAN and Aadhaar through Link Aadhaar service. If linking request still fails, you're advised to avail the option of biometric-based authentication at dedicated centers of PAN service providers. You should carry your PAN, Aadhaar, fee-paid challan copy and avail the facility after paying requisite biometric authentication charge at the center.